see, I switched my hair. In my last video I showed you guys how I actually turned this into a wig. But I'm currently on my way to my friend Owen's house. And I'm walking from the subway. I have 21 seconds to cross the street. I know this lady's about to hit me. I don't know if I'm gonna turn this video, look at the view. I don't know if I'm gonna turn this video into like a vlog where I'm talking to you guys, or if I'm gonna make it another like life through my eyes video. So I'll let you guys know. You'll see. I might do both. In my last video I mentioned like doing kind of like a both, and sometimes like I don't know what I'm doing today. I'm dyeing my friend Owen's hair. You guys will see that process, but I might include like more vlog footage in this video, and then I might have like just a segment of it in my other video, because I think there's like a lot of events going on today because it's Cinco de Mayo, and I know there's like some parties and things. So for like those, I'm obviously not going to be like vlogging and talking to you guys, but I think for those videos I'm gonna, I'm like out of breath, can you guys hear me? I think for those videos, that's like where I'm gonna incorporate life through my eyes and just do like segments of like, you know, kind of the mood. I'm currently drinking an iced green tea latte, and I'm obsessed with these right now. If you guys know me, I'm like obsessed with matcha, and I used to always go to this ramen restaurant near my house, and I would get their homemade green tea ice cream, but they don't make it homemade anymore, and it doesn't taste the same to me, which I'm so sad about. So now I just settle for like a drink form of it. But if you guys never tried this at Starbucks, it's an iced green tea latte, and it's basically just matcha, milk, and ice, and you can ask for sweetener. If you don't like regular milk, you can get coconut milk with it, which I think is really good, or any other kind. But yeah, I'm about to be at my friend's. He lives on like the upper, I feel like this is the east side, yeah, the upper east side. He goes to LAM, he's a photographer. So I'll list his Instagram down below so you guys can check him out, because he posts a lot of really cool stuff. Owen! It's good. How are you? Oh, and there's the head of the vlog. Ready? Let's do it before. Let's do it before.
Head of the vlog.
Let's do it before over here. What is zoom so far? Oh, like outfit featuring Oh, you're done.